Hi guys, welcome to BAi TV. I'm your embroidery assistant, Alan. In today's video, we will talk about how to make a maintenance for your Vision embroidery machine. The first part is about machine's cleaning. Firstly, for safety, make sure to turn off the machine and unplug it from the power source to prevent any accident happens during cleaning. Then, gently use a soft brush or compressed air to remove any dust, lint, or fabric around the needle area and the hook area. Next up, we have lubrication. Your embroidery machine needs regular lubrication to keep the moving parts functioning smoothly. Use the lubrication oil that comes with the machine, which is basically sewing oil you can find in the market, as well as fully synthetic lithium-based grease. In the following steps, we will use white oil, also known as sewing machine oil. A small bottle is included in our tool kit for regular maintenance. The first part for the oil maintenance is the rotary hook. If you use the machine frequently every day, then we recommend to make the oil maintenance daily. 1 or 2 drops will be enough. Next, let's make some oil maintenance for the whole needle bar part. Okay, for this part, you can use the oiling pan to make the oil maintenance once a week. And every time, you can use 3 to 5 drops oil. Okay, let's do it. Use oiling pan to oil the inside needle bar. 3 to 5 drops. All right. And the next one. Then you can do all the maintenance one by one. Next, we will make the oil maintenance for this part. Here, we need to remove the panel first. You can use a screwdriver to lose the screw. Okay, take out the cover. Okay, oil the needle bar. 3 to 5 drops. All right. Then make the rest one by one. After oil maintenance, now you can install back the cover. Here, you can raise a little up for the cover. Okay, now we have finished all the oil maintenance for the needle bar parts. Next, we will make the oil maintenance on the reels on each side. Here, you can turn the color changing model knob. You can see the machine head will move. You can switch to number 1 needle. All right, now you can oil the reel. 3 to 5 drops will be okay. You can make it once a week. Now you can keep to turn the knob with the clockwise way. We need to make the oil maintenance on the other side. Switch to number 15 needle. Drop 3 to 5 oil and brush the reel once a week. In this side, you will find there is a silver rod inside. So you also need to make the oil maintenance here. 3 to 5 drops oil will be okay. Same way, make the maintenance once a week. Next, we will use synthetic resin-based grease, which should be applied for every 6 months. Use the screwdriver to remove the 2 screws. Then you can take out the cover. You can turn the black knob with this way and switch to number 1 needle. You can use a brush to dip some grease. Now you can use a brush to make the grease maintenance on the gear. First, you can turn the black knob so that the gear will turn. Make sure the grease will be coated and the gear evenly. Okay, that's enough. For this part, you can make the grease maintenance every 6 months. Okay, now let's install back the cover. The other side for the grease maintenance is this area. First, you can use a flat screwdriver to move the 2 screws. Here you can see there are 2 gears in this area. So we just use a brush to make some maintenance on these gears and the other gears. Okay, now you can install back the cover. And for this part, you can also make it every 6 months. Next part is about the needle maintenance. We suggest you can change the needle regularly, especially if you find there are always skipped stitches or the needle become dull. Then you can change a new needle. Finally, regular checkups are essential to keep everything in check. You can regularly check your machine for loose screws, worn parts, and overall performance. This will help catch any potential issues before they become big problems. Okay, after you finish all the maintenance, now you can turn on your machine. And you may find the needle number here maybe 00. Don't worry, that's because you have already turned on the knob before. So here, you just need to turn the black knob here slowly and observe the number here. Okay? Any number is okay except 00. That's it. Keeping your Vision Embroidery Machine will maintain is simple and will ensure you will get the best result for all your embroidering projects. If you follow these tips, you can extend the life of your machine and will make it running smoothly for years to come. Okay, that's all for today's video about how to make a maintenance for the Vision Embroidery Machine. If you like our videos, please subscribe our channel and share it. See you next time.